I'm back with a new lesson. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use the two verbs say and tell. Well, a lot of people get confused, when do we use say and when do we use tell? Well, both mean, to make verbal communication or communicate verbally, but there are certain key points that we need to keep in mind while using say and tell. Okay, so I'm going to take you through a few sentences and let's see how they are used differently. Well, you say something, alright, or you tell someone something. So when you say something, for example, she said, okay, well, this is the past form of say, said. So she said that she loved him. A lot of people get confused and they say she said me, okay, which is wrong. You do not say she said me, you say she said that she loved him, or sometimes you can say to someone. Like in my second example, he said to me. Again, please remember friends, you do not say he said me, he said to me that he was tired. Alright, so you say something or you say something to someone. Okay, and when we use tell, you tell someone something. So in my example here, she told me. Okay, so she told me to tell someone something, so she told me. Now this is an object pronoun, that means okay, like she told her or she told him or they told us. So you use an object pronoun and say she told me. Now again here a lot of people get confused and say she told to me, which is wrong. It's not she told to me. She told me that she loved him. Okay, so keep this in mind friends. You say something or you tell someone something. Now let's take a look at some more examples on how to use say and tell. Well, in the direct speech, that means you tell what the speaker exactly said. We use say like this. John said, okay, hello sir, how are you? So John said, okay. In the next example, John said, do you love me? Well friends, this is very important. When you talk about a question, you always use said. I cannot say she told, do you love me? No, that's wrong. So for a question, you always use said. So she said, do you love me? Alright, I hope this is clear to you. Coming to tell, he told her, open the door. Well, when you give instructions or certain information, you always use tell. So he told her, open the door. Okay, so for instructions you use tell, and to ask questions or when you generally just say something, you always use said. So now let's take a look at how say and tell is used in the indirect speech or the reported speech. Well, we use both in the indirect speech. Okay, I have a few examples here. She said that it was cold. Well, you remember in the previous example I said you say something, so she said that it was cold. Alright, she asked where he lived. Now in my second example, we have made a direct speech into an indirect speech where there was a question. So friends, please remember, when you talk about a question being asked in the indirect speech, you always say asked, no say or tell. Okay, like I can't say she told where he lived or she said where he lived, because she asked a question. Please use the verb she asked where he lived. Alright. Now coming to tell, he told me that he would come late. Well, again if you remember, you tell someone something. So he told me and not he told to me. So he told me that he would come late. So in the indirect speech, you can use either she said something or you tell someone something. And remember, if you are talking about a question in the reported speech, you do not use say or tell, you always use asked. Okay friends, so now we're going to see how we use tell when you make orders, advices or with certain phrases. We never use say, we always use tell. Okay, well I have a few examples here. In my first example, she told him to leave. You do not say she said him to leave, because this is kind of an order. So she told him. Well, remember, she told someone something, so she told him. This is your object pronoun. So she told him to leave. Okay. In my next example, tell them to come on time. Again, we cannot say them to come on time. Okay, you're ordering, so you say tell them to come on time. Tell someone something, tell them. Okay. Now there are certain phrases we always use tell. For example, you tell someone the truth, or you always tell lies. But you never say you say lies. So for example, mother tells him a story at bedtime. You cannot use mother says him a story at bedtime. She tells him. She tells someone something. So she tells him a story at bedtime. Alright. In my next sentence, she always tells lies. Well, you cannot say she always says lies. She tells lies. You always have to use tell. These are certain phrases where you always have to use tell. Okay, so when you tell lies, not a very good thing to do, but well, you tell lies. You don't say lies. And in my last example, he told her the truth. You do not say he said her the truth or he said to her the truth. It is wrong. You always have to use tell when you use the phrase to tell someone the truth. So he told her, he told someone the truth. So in these examples, you always use tell, you never use say. Okay, this is a rule. So for orders, advice and certain phrases, you always use tell. So this brings me to the end of this lesson, friends. I hope you enjoyed watching this lesson. I'm sure all your confusion is now clear. Please put in any comments or queries. I'll be back soon with another lesson. Till then, take care and bye.